Beautiful apartment, 1 bedroom, available right now. Kind of itchy just being in here. Why is there a lock on the outside of this kid's door?
That is weird. All that mouse poop underneath the fridge. Do you like having drawers to put your stuff in? Because there's actually... There's nothing.
Dude?
Nothing.
Hello? Bailiffs, hello? Oh. Hello, bailiffs? Yeah, I saw that.
What the hell?
Bailiffs.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Jonathan said it was over here.
And Thompson was with, so I couldn't but he ended up getting some extra guys. We split his crew. He's only got 3, but that's at our request. He had 6, so we left 3 on the last and brought 3 here just to make sure we could get some guys.
Cool. Yeah.
So
I think John's biggest concern was clearing this. So even if the movers, if they need to get back to the other one, if they can at least make sure this is clear and we could change locks.
Okay. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bedroom.
I think given by these spider webs, I don't know if they've been down here very much lately. That's so wet.
usually, on a 2-family with 1 unit vacant and no one to clarify for us, tenants-wise, we pretty more or less assume that the stuff belonged to the tenant that, the one tenant.
Yes.
Unless we had someone saying, well, no, that stuff was down there before they moved in or something, but if
without that clarification.
we basically just default to.
Ooh, kind of stinky in here, dude. Stop doing that. I mean, I guess you have to.
I'm supposed to.
I was gonna say, I think you have to. So.
I think that's really the only. Yeah, you're good. The hallway's probably in the dark here.
Because it was fully charged in that back house. And now it's blinking red. You love to see it.
Keys are locks them.
And make a Ken ball on the floor. Yeah. Let's see. We got Ken doing his thing. Yes, chicken bones.
Can't access the porch.
Issue here. Save the Cokes. That's high on the priority list. Yeah, it's like most of this place is kind of untouched. Except for...
Jesus Christ, it smells like fucking soot up in this bitch. It's like a goddamn chimney in here.
Burn it down.
Can't even see it fucking over.
Yeah. This is small fire activities, you know.
Ma'am, where are we gonna put this stuff at?
Go right on out.
These your cars?
Just this one.
Okay, you know whose that one is?
We have an issue with these people parking in our driveway, so it might be them. I've given them my number countless times. They don't tell me when they're parking. I have no way of getting them to move. I can move this one. I just moved it there because last night they had the truck in the driveway, so.
Okay,
No, two people. Two people.
Kind of itchy just being in here. Why is there a lock on the outside of this kid's door?
That is weird.
Because those kids are bad. And they need to leave.
Stay there, Timmy. We're fucking.
You stay in there. We're having fucking fun.
Jeez Louise.
It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, though.
No.
It's kind of a letdown. Dude. Probably got burned to shit. I'm still not satisfied.
That's not where your ceiling's supposed to be.
The ceiling's supposed to be in the ceiling.
It's supposed to be up there.
What's the ceiling on your floor, dude?
Beautiful apartment, 1 bedroom, available right now. We're You know, I know that dresser is burnt to shit, but it looks really cool black.
Right.
I don't feel.
Yeah, well, we're not supposed to touch anything, so.
Yeah, don't touch nothing. So that looks like a space heater. A really old one. Mattress. There used to be more of this. They don't usually sell the bare bones models anymore. Although, amazingly, all the joists look untouched. Whatever this ceiling was made out of, whatever drywall they use, they need to call that. We need to call that company, dude, because that's some durable shit.
Shit, right?
We resisted a whole ass fire, bro. Whew. At least it's cooler in here.
Oh my goodness, dude. Freaking Louisiana was tough. That was hot.
There's that fucking hollowed out space heater that she's like, I didn't turn it on.
Well, how come it's the only thing that's like super melted?
It literally is.
Yeah, and you can tell it was plugged in right there by the window.
I didn't put the space heater in. What are you talking about?
I heard,
Sure, because your fucking bed doesn't exist anymore.
I heard a pop. What?
I just saw a bug. I think it's with that bug.
No.
All that mouse poop underneath the fridge. Do you like having drawers to put your stuff in? Because there's actually... There's nothing.
Shit, dude.
Nothing. This door is all fucked up. This door is all fucked up. There was a leak and that's why I left this open, but...
You think somebody was smoking in here?
No.
Never, dude.
Right there.
Just gnats. No gnats, bugs.
for you to get it open. Maybe not.
So they didn't use this door at all.
No.
And they didn't use the other door. They had no concerns for emergency.
Ooh. Oh my god, there's like glue on it.
Yeah, it smells like pee out here.
Huh. It does smell a little bit like pee out there. About 1,000 tires back there. They left all their goddamn furniture in the back of the house.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I think.
Whatever the hell you call Pete or whatever, you ordered the part on Amazon and that didn't work either.
Wait a minute. It's a fridge door. And a fridge door
With no fridge.
with no fridge.
Mister, I want to suck all the batteries dry.
I'm the one who fucking charges them.
Mister, it's 100 degrees outside. I'm gonna let this battery get real hot.
Okay.
You ain't do nothing all day.
Whoa, don't flip it over, man.
Hand it over to him flat.
Yeah, come on.
Doo 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 doo, yeah.
That's how they was going in.
Well, there's some nails in
Oh,
there,
some
but I'm
nails.
gonna
Okay.
put some screws in anyway.
So if I see them come here, what do I do? Because she's one that don't want to leave.
Just call 911.
I sure that's all I needed was
At
that
that point,
permission.
they'll be trespassing.
Right.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
I asked for his card and he was like, no, just call 911 because right now it's criminal trespassing. They show back up.
Okay, thank you. That's all I need. Because they wait till like 5 o'clock. Think y'all office gone? Because they didn't want to go.
Yeah. I mean, did they not have
She
anything
was just
in
here
here?
last night. Yeah.
Shit.
She was here last night. She was all in that closet. I could hear her. They were just sleeping in here. And they had that trailer until y'all put the toe tag.
Yeah.
I said, you can't put a whole trailer back there? Thank y'all.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.